Justine, what's this? A Nintendo Switch, you say? This isn't just any Nintendo Switch. This Nintendo Switch inside of here is basically the embodiment of my soul inside of this box. As you guys know, one of my favorite color combinations is camouflage, especially when it comes to pink camouflage. I've been such a huge fan of colorware, and when I saw them tweet this out, I about freaked out. Not only did I freak out, but all of you guys freaked out. You tweeted me this and you said, Justine, this is something that you need. So let's open this thing up and take a look. Wow. It's everything that I ever. Oh my gosh, my name is on it. This is a surprise. This is not something that I was expecting. Holy moly! What I love about colorware is it's not really like a sticker. Like, this is actually printed onto the plastic. I have my other Nintendo Switch here, and I've had these on since pretty much I got this thing. These are the original NES controllers. This thing looks so great. My little name is on it. They even custom painted a little extra piece too. Their attention to detail is incredible. They even did the dock. No, wait, my name's on this too! Holy moly! This is a day! This is a day to remember! Like, I can't cry. I shouldn't cry. I should cry. I can cry. I can cry if I want to. I can get emotional about my Nintendo Switch. Let's check out the Joy-Cons. This is just so unbelievable. What do I even say? What do I say? I have nothing to say. I have absolutely nothing to say other than this is perfect. It is the most perfect thing that I've ever seen. One of the things that's not perfect about the Nintendo Switch, if you put these Joy-Con slides on the wrong side, it is so insane to get off. It looks so perfect. You guys believe it? I'll put a link in the description if you guys want to check this out, and they have so many amazing things on their website. Like, I'm such a huge fan. You guys also might remember a video that I did a while ago. It was these vintage AirPods that was also by Colorware. They just do really great quality work. Well guys, thank you for watching. I just wanted to give you guys a little unboxing of this because I was so excited. The fact that they put my name on this is completely unexpected. That was not something that I thought was gonna happen at all. So thank you, Colorware. You guys are so awesome. I cannot wait to play with this thing. Let me know in the comments below what games you guys are currently playing on Switch. I just downloaded the Lego Movie 2. When I say that I'm obsessed with Lego Movie, like, I can't even express to you like how many times I saw the first film. Like, I saw it probably over 75 times. Maybe even more, actually, because I used to watch it every night before bed. I did a playthrough of the game several times. I know I played through the entirety of it on Xbox. I think back in the day I played it on Wii U, and then I played it on Nintendo 3DS. Super excited to play the next game. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching. Also, if you guys are new here, or if you're not new here, I started doing a little membership thing, so there's a little join button if you want to check that out. I'll be posting some higher res images of this on my members only forum, so if you guys are a part of that, look out for those very, very soon. So with that, I will see you guys very, very shortly, and to IJ Army members, I will see you guys in the comments in the forums. I will see you soon. Bye. Has anybody still been playing Overcooked? Because I started playing it again, and that game is just such an incredible, incredible game, but it makes me so upset.